Alright, so I got this little mini fridge. It's basically a personal chiller. It's just a really small mini fridge. Now, if you put like a little 6-pack in there, they said it'll store up to 6 12-ounce cans. And it's, that's the 12 ounce and that's not the 16s. So you have to think about that. It's actually a really small little fridge, but I got it because I really don't need that much space. I don't need like a big mini fridge or anything, and this will be good for like the car, so I can put this in the car. The cool thing is it chills or it warms. The cool thing is, so that's your chilling, does about 40, and then if you're heating something up, keeping it warm, keeps it about 131. Now it'll run off battery power. Comes with this cool little shelf, and it actually runs off of AC power also, which you can see it's plugged in here. We'll flip it around in a minute, I'll show you. So on the front here, you can turn on the light. So that's pretty cool. And then if you push in right here and open this up, that'll kind of give you an idea. So that's a 16-ounce drink. Not a lot of space, but it's enough to, like, stick some stuff in there if you want to keep it cool. It's gonna be running off a little solar grid, so not a big deal. The other thing is, like, say if you wanted to, like, what I'm probably gonna use it for is just keep sandwich meat in, put it up here, put some stuff down here. Good to go. You don't need a whole lot of space, and that's pretty much it. So it's got a little handle on the top here, and these really aren't that bad. Let's see here. Unplug it really fast. Spin it around. And so there's your cool or warm settings. You can run that off the 12 volt right there, and then the 120 there. Kind of give you an idea of the amps and stuff that it's pulling. 12 volt. There you go. It's not bad, it gets a little warm, but not bad at all. So just a cool little thing. I'll probably end up buying like a really nice cooler that is 12 volts, but this will be good for like the little tiny home, just to put some stuff in if I'm out messing around. And I like the front that it lights up too, so that's cool. It was really inexpensive too. It was like really it was on sale, and I got a really good deal on it, so pretty cool just to have something to put like a little something in there, keep cool. So I will do some testing on it, and then I'll let you guys know. But other than that, it's pretty cool. You just gotta remember, this is really not going to hold that much. I mean, you might be able to get 2 16-ounce drinks in there. Not a big deal, because I don't really like my drinks cold anyway. But, sandwich meat, cheese, something like that, you can throw in there, it'd be good. All right, you guys, take it easy. Peace.